Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Sakugi over-the-sink dish drying rack. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: large capacity. Sakugi over-sink dish drying rack features an extra large capacity that can store various tableware and cleaning supplies, such as bowls, dishes, knives, wine glasses, cutting boards, sponges, brushes, and more. Just one dish rack is capable enough to organize your countertop orderly. Adjustable design. You can rest assured that Sakugi dish drying rack fits almost all sizes of household sinks. This practical dish drainer for kitchen counter can be freely adjusted from 25.6 to 33.5 inch according to your needs. Note: for a better fit, please make sure the width of your sink is less than 33.5 inch and the height of the faucet is less than 21 inch. Durable material and efficient drainage. Made of premium 304 stainless steel, this drying dish rack for kitchen counter is durable for long-term use without rust and corrosion. Besides, its over-the-sink design enables this two-tier dish drying rack to drain water directly into the sink, not onto the countertop, effectively avoiding water pooling. Simple installation and easy to clean, with step-by-step instructions and elaborate illustrations. Sakugi kitchen dish drying rack is easy to assemble with the attached accessories. Furthermore, all attachments can be easily detached to clean. Just wash them or wipe them with a damp towel. Multi-purpose and space-saving. Besides baskets for diverse purposes, this large dish drying rack comes with one cup holder, 2 utensil holders, 1 cutting board holder, 1 knife holder, and 5 utility hooks, effectively meeting your wide range of applications. With a weight bearing of up to 50 pounds, it also saves your precious countertop space by making full use of the room over the sink. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe and press the bell, select all and press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.